Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Yep, I'm at it again, showing off the new bot. Now, everybody who's gotten the robots has already gotten this bot. Now, this one is a combination of the cash cow adjustable arrows and the new, it is a crazy fractal. And basically, it's just a fractal that I control by using the oscillator at the bottom, and it coordinates with the fractals that come with the same color. So this way, it gives us a way to get moves about 10 pips all the time. So if it indicator asks you if you want to take a trade and you take it, you get about 10 pips, you click out. 10 pips, you click out. You know, it's all about 10 pips. Some might be 15. You might get 10 and then come back at 10, but there's a lot of them in here. So this is a 15-minute chart, and then when it crosses the 50 moving average, it starts going the other way. That's basically everything below the 50 we're selling, everything above the 50 we're buying. Let's see if we can make it a little bit smaller here. I got the thing that does the videos in front of my plus or minus. Let me see. I don't want it shutting off the video, but we can do it this way here. Let me zoom out. There we go. That helps a little bit. Let me zoom out again. There we go. Now you get the idea. Above the 50, you're buying. Below the 50, you're selling. And it works off of the oscillator. So it's pretty awesome. So it's got two arrows in it. That's why it's still a Sharon's bot. So it's Sharon's crazy fractal with confirmation. So I like the confirmation so I don't have to watch it. I can be doing other things, and it lets me know I have a trade. And I've been trading it today, and it works really good. I took these two trades down here and got 10 pips a piece. It was good. I was going to take the green one, but I was working already on another bot, so you know how it is. You got to miss a few things. But you get the idea. So above the 50, it's all buys, some really good buys in there. Now, remember, the ones that are down low, you might want to take those. You want to take the sells that are up high against the moving average. So like this one crossed and came through, that would be a perfect. I don't know if I'd take it there, but definitely once it crossed, I'd be right on it. Now anything up against the moving average would be really good. But they were all good. You would have made money now. Look, it's all downhill. You can't lose. So even these lower ones, I was making money. So, and then when it crossed, it went to a buy situation. So it's a really good EA. I like it. It's something different. I can't say it's any better than the others. It's just different. So it gives us a way to play around and try other things. And that's all it's about. And if you buy the robots, you get all the robots, unless you buy the robot for the single one that I'm selling. But this here is an awesome robot, just another thing to add in for something different. So I like it. I'm going to keep playing with it. It's pretty cool. Let me show you the parameters on it. It's still the same, but it definitely works off the fractals. I figured it'd give us a fair enough starting point to get into it. So let me see. We are looking for property. There we go. So it's all the same. See, I got it off the 200 period down here, and you can change that. And this is the period for the fractals. You can change that too. You can get more fractals. So it's pretty crazy. You got your stop loss. You have everything. Works really good. You can do more than one trade if you want. Now, if you're going to have the robot trading more than one, you're probably going to want to put like five pips for the next open trade, and then just put two or three, whichever ones you want. It'll ask if you want to take the trade. So if you don't want to take it, just push no or push the sign up out of the way. It'll look like this one right here. And if you don't want to take it, you just put it up there. I don't want to take it right now. Or you push no. Sometimes it's persistent. It'll keep throwing it at you. I said no already. So then you just move it out of the way. If you got one screen, it's a little harder to do that. That I understand. But this is the new bot. It's pretty awesome. I really like it. I like all of them. They all have their own niche, and that's what I like. It's not for everybody. This one's different. This one works out the fractals, so you're looking for a lot of little trades now, or you could be looking for the big trade. Only take the ones that penetrate through the 50 and come back. I mean, that's what a lot of people like to trade is right this first one, first one, first one. I mean, that's another way of doing it. I mean, you only have to take the trades you want, so it'll definitely indicate once it's coming back through. So that's another good thing. So there's a lot of things you can do with it. See if we can zoom back in a little bit. Right now, it looks like a lot of trades till you zoom in, and it's not too funny. You see it's right where they should be. So What was I thinking? Oh yeah, zoom in. Sorry, got sidetracked. And now you see that every furthest point, you don't have to take every single one. You just take the ones you want. It'll let you know there's a trade. And if you get a trade up here and you trade it down, and it pulls back up, and you think, you know what, I want to double up now. You can go ahead and throw another one on and go on down and take profit. It has a trailing stop, has everything you need. So it's pretty awesome. I like it. And I like the fact that once we go over the 50, it turns into a buy situation. It's green here. It gives us another fractal and a green arrow. So it's good. Doesn't give you too low, so it's perfect. It's right at the cross point. After it goes up, it pulls back, so therefore we feel comfortable with it. And it takes off again. It's the perfect spot. So that's what I like. Now this one here, you see it pop through. It came back in. It already gave you a signal. This was probably very fast, so you wouldn't probably get into right here. But look, you got 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. I don't know how many pips you need a day, but there's enough pips there for me. I can tell you that. And just by these two little trades, I was doing pretty good. I was making, $30 to $40 a pop on these little guys. So even the last ones you make money. Even the last one you made money. So it's not a problem. And you just got to know if for some reason, if you start to pass wherever you took it, if you start going negative, just get out. Don't take a chance. Wait for the next trade. It might be the turnaround point. You might have taken this trade, not gotten out, and you start going back up. Better close that trade. This thing is gone. All right. Anyway, guys, have a great evening. It's been a crazy life right now with all this stuff going on with this virus. Stuck in the house. It's nuts. I'm sure you guys are all freaking out too. So, and I do have the survival bot on there on my channel on the website. You can buy it, just $100. It's just to help out people. We already got it, and whoever's trading, whoever has all the robots, we have one just like it. Just has these arrows on it. That one has the original indicator with it, so they can have that if they want. I'm just trying to help people out. Not everybody can afford all the bots, and I understand that. And these things are getting better and better, and eventually I'm not going to sell them anymore. So, but the guys, whoever has girls and guys that already have them, they will keep getting bots that I make. That's not a problem. I plan on living a long time, and I want to make a lot of money. So I want to try one now with stochastic. No, not stochastic. Maybe uh, divergence, like a divergence bot. I think that'll be the next one I'm going to work on. So we'll see. I've been wanting to do that for a while. I'm trying to find the right indicator. So have a great evening. Make some money. Whoever's got this one, just so you know that you can adjust these. So it's pretty good. And I like it so far. I've been able to make some pretty good money. We can see there's a lot of really good trades in here. So you're not taking any of the ones going the wrong direction, not till it crosses the 50. What's so awesome about that. So, and then when you take it, you got to make sure you got the currency strength going in your direction. Certain things. You want to make sure you're underneath the 50. I mean, if it's up here and above, I'd be careful. If you get the red arrow, wait till it starts to look like it's going under, then take it. Yeah. Once it crosses under, I'd be all over that. That was the best trade right there anyway. And then once it crossed above, we had a pullback. Boom, we made more money. I wish I would have got that one. So, have a great evening. I've already said that. Stay safe. Wash your hands, like they say. Stay out of trouble. Stay alive. We don't want that thing. It hurt us really bad. So, anyway, thanks again. Bye-bye.